Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on location on your Amazon Shopping app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your account. So just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on account and it's going to take you to next window here. So all you have to do, just go down here and you keep going, you click here on Amazon Fresh settings, then it's going to take you to next window here and you click here on location, and it's going to take you here, you just click here on turn on and it's going to turn on with your location. So you click here on allow and you click here on go to settings and you search on your location and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.